How does prolotherapy work? Like I said, we have microaggression in parts of the body, and we make it into a macroaggression so the body can just heal it off. Now, where are those areas? There's many different areas that prolotherapy can target. The classical model promoted by Dean Reeves is actually going to be where the muscle touches the bone. So not inside the bulk of a muscle where people might feel pain, but where that same muscle now touches onto the bone, we're going to inject medicine onto that. Or even here where it starts, right? And when you do that, the assumption is that the muscle is now overstretched or being held tight, and because of that, where it touches onto the bone is now loose. And because it's loose, whenever the muscle contracts, the muscle should work twice as hard to generate the same contraction, which makes it get tired, it gets torn, and then you have these kind of microaggressions that never become a major problem until they cause chronic pain. So the classical prolotherapy by Dean Reeves that he taught me is to go onto these. Now there's another type we do, and that is where we inject into the muscle bellies where those painful scars are, the trigger points. And if you inject into those, you can produce the same amount of inflammation inside that trigger point and make it go away. That's really how this whole thing works. Escalate a microaggression to a macroaggression so the body can solve it. Why do trigger points exist? That's a different series of videos, but this helps people get to a point where they can do the necessary measures like control their weight, hydrate themselves better, and exercise.